Hey, what's up, Winklink holders? This time, the latest update, the price prediction, and technical analysis absolutely in this video. But kindly, before I get started this video, I want you to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So, first of all, friends, I am going to show you the latest update of Winklink going to what's going on this time. The Winklink latest update, as you can see, my brother, first of all, the change occur exactly. This change occur will be, you can see here, my friends, just in only the last 1 hour, the last 1 day change occur will be positive, and you can see here the last 7 day change occur will be negative. So you know why the last 7 day change occur will be negative? This is the main reason, my friends. The main reason is that, my friends, too, because in the last 1 month, especially last 3 days, or in the first 3 days, May 28, May 29, and May 31, these days, my friends, they paid down. So therefore, in the start of next month, my friend, and June, they will completely go in the moon now. So it's a very good news for all of you today, starting in the current time moving upward. It's a very good news. This time you can see here the last 1 hour, you can see here completely jump by jump, hour by you can see here minute by minute, you can see here they take a jump, and it's me to there in the profit. If we check out, my friend, the last 7 day chart, then we predicate this going to upcoming time, can there is a chance to them moving upward or not. So as you can see, my mother, I already tell you in the last, my friend, in the last first 3 days, my friend, you can see here May 28 to May 29, May 31. You can see May 31 to, you can see here they're starting moving upward. It's a very good news. You can see here June 1, June 2, and June 3, and June 4 is also moving upward. It's a very good news for all of you Winklink holder. Congratulations. If this starting and this time, you can see here positive, so it's mean to upcoming time there's more chances they will go in the moon now. You know why I will tell you? Because at the start of month every cryptocurrency falls down. Try to understand, in the start of month every cryptocurrency falls down, but you can see at this time Winklink, one of the unique coin today, just an only jumping, and it's a very good news for all of you today starting moving over, because my friend, in the last month they completely falls down. So therefore, after a fails, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump. So this is my prediction to please hold, my friend. In upcoming time they're moving upwards, so hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my friend, the price will be going and double now, and that will give you very huge and very good profit now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.